I got bored and decided to make some chin chin because it's like one of my favorite childhood memories, making chin chin in the kitchen with my grandma. But I have no idea how to tell if the oil's hot enough, but you can see this is my bowl full of chin chin pieces that I made with some assistance. And was just told that I could stick a wooden spoon in the oil, and if there's bubbles, then it's hot enough. Okay, bubbles, yeah, good, we're good. So I'm gonna drop these in, and the other thing I don't know, so we might end up burning a few pieces, is when do you know to take the chin chin out? So wish me good luck. I think if it comes to the top and like turns over, I remember that from when I was a kid. It's supposed to pop up to the surface and like flip over or something. We're gonna see what happens here. Oh, look, it's rising. It's rising. I did it. I'm so excited. Okay, so you can see they do come up to the surface like I remembered, but you do have to flip them yourself to keep them from browning. We got a couple that are already done, so hopefully soon I'll have a bowl full. Okay. So this is me dropping them in. We're almost done here. It's a little tricky because the oil bubbles up and you obviously don't want to get al-greened on your hands. Oh, okay, here we go. So once you drop them, you're also going to want to stir a little bit to keep them from sticking together. So you just stir it and you can keep dropping. I do like 10 or 12 at a time just because, one, I'm using a smaller pot than what my grandmother used to use, and two, I've literally never done this before, so I try to keep my batches small so that I can control better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If anyone wants the recipe I used, I can, just message me and I'll tell you what I did. I did, however, leave one thing out that my grandmother insisted on, and she'd probably be very upset with me. She liked to season her oil with a quarter of an onion. Like, literally put a quarter of an onion in the oil before you drop the chin chin in. I don't know why she did it, but it did. Like, I think it's more like a sweet and savory chin chin that my grandmother made. But yeah, she said it made the chin chin taste better. I think every Nigerian or Nigerian diaspora you talk to is going to have their own recipe. Just using a strainer to take them out because don't want excess oil in the finished batch. I don't remember how my grandma used to take them out actually, but I know she didn't use a strainer. So I do want to know, what should I do with the excess oil? I don't think I can reuse it to cook anything else other than chin chin, but I just don't like throwing things out. So if anyone has any ideas, let me know. Okay, so weird idea that I had. I like experimenting. I'm not the only one who likes experimenting, but point being, we're gonna air fry some chin chin, see what happens. Maybe it turns out good, maybe it's like a healthy alternative to frying them in oil. And there are probably 10 million Nigerians that are going to be very upset with me for this, but we're doing it anyway. Let's have fun. Okay, so put some chin chin in the air fryer. You know what? It's not bad. It just takes a little longer, and you're gonna have to flip them over to get that golden brown look. So we already flipped these, but I just wanted to show this is what it looked like. And then we flip this over and do it again for like 3 minutes, I think. Yeah. Just let it go, and you'll have air fried chin chin. I don't know about the flavor or like taste or texture yet, but we'll see. Okay, so our air fried chin chin is almost done. We're getting ready to take it out. Just waiting for the ding. I don't know why, but I like when it goes ding. Ding! Look at that. Pretty darn close to the fried version there. Oh shit, hot. But yeah, looks pretty good if I don't say so myself. Alrighty. When it's cooled and doesn't burn the hell out of my hands, I will sample it and let y'all know if it actually tastes the same. Okay, so this is our completed bowl of fried chin chin. Here on the side we have our air fryer chin chin. As you can see, pretty darn close for not using oil. Still kind of hot, but I will give these fried ones a taste. That's good. That's good. Now, technically, you're supposed to let them sit for about an hour, and then they get harder to get that real good crunch. But I always like them when they're fresh, when the middle is still kind of soft. Really, really good. Very proud of myself. This could have been a disaster. But that's cooking, right? Oh, wait. Okay. I think this is cool enough for me to give the air fryer a shot. Okay. So, texture-wise, a bit crisper than the fryer, than the oil fried. The edges, you have less control over the edges burning because it's just locked away in the air fryer. But the flavor is good. The flavor's there. We did 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And this is what came out. And it's good. It's good.